From the Peninsula Skating Club in San Jose, here are Elaine Sandraz and Caitlin Smith.
Dreamed it. Have you ever dreamed a night like this? I cannot believe it. I may never see a night like this. From where you are, you see the smoke start to arise where they play cards, and you walk over softly, moving past the guards. The stakes are getting higher. Dreamed a night like this.
This concludes the Juvenile Pattern Dance 2 Fiesta Tango.